Shiba Inu is crashing. Is it time to sell your bag? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. Today we're talking about Shiba Inu and its price. Looks like it's crashing. Today we're going to take a look at the price, give a price prediction, and an overall look at what's going on in the crypto market. As you can see, there's red across the whole board. Bitcoin halving happening in approximately 17 days, and the month of April just beginning. A ton of things to unpack here, guys. But before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button to reach your 2024 crypto goals. Let's take a look at the crypto market, guys. We can see the whole market down. We're seeing 5% down on market cap, making it $2.48 trillion across the board. We can see we have retraced back into greed from extreme greed, which I think is going to be corrected really soon. The Bitcoin halving 7 days away, 7 days, 10 hours. Very bullish, very exciting. I think when that happens, guys, we're going to see so much money influx into the meme coin realm, and we're going to see a much stronger price position for Bitcoin and for Shiba Inu and all the other meme coins we've been aping into. Let's take a look at what's going on with Shiba Inu, guys. As we can see on the price, we are down 7.59%. We're still at a $15 billion market cap, making a top 12 traded cryptocurrency. In terms of volume, $993.59 million, taking 16th place in volume. This is absolutely insane. People are very bullish on Shiba Inu as well. The news is going crazy. The community is going crazy. It's been a popular meme coin that we've been looking at. Now, taking a look at the price action, guys, let's open up the chart over here. As we can see, there's been a lot of selling going on. However, we are seeing a lot of buying action once we see bigger red candles. We saw a nice pump up in price and then a swift reversal down to pump it. And imagine once we hit this zone over here, this seems to be a line of resistance that it won't circle back. And even last bottom, we can see every time the price was pumping, guys, we did see it take some downward positioning, pump it, and downwards positioning. So I think this was just a correction pre-halvening that we're expected to see. As post-halvening, we're probably going to see a crazy pump. Talking about the technical report, guys, the technical report is indicating to sell Shiba Inu. The oscillators are at a selling 9 neutral, 2 sells, and the moving averages are at 1 neutral, 8 sells, 6 buys. So also in sell position. Overall summary saying to sell your Shiba Inu. However, guys, I wouldn't let fear take over, as Shiba Inu has so much more opportunity. Guys, remember, Shiba Inu is not just a meme coin it once was. It has a whole branch of utility. It's doing so much more than before, and once we have the crypto halving, guys, these meme coins are going to go absolutely ballistic, including Shiba Inu. Talking about Shiba Inu, guys, let's talk about Doge 20 for a second. Another meme coin that hasn't even launched yet. It is set to launch on Doge Day, and it's your last chance to buy at these low pre-sale prices. 17 days away, which is crazy because it's coming very close to the Bitcoin halving event as well. It's going to launch close to halving. It's going to have a crazy pump. They've already raised over $10 million, and guys, we've seen these pre-sale coins go absolutely crazy, going upwards of $100 million. Doge 20 definitely has an opportunity as well. Our Doge just got more rewarding. Prepare for the ultimate Doge upgrade. We're sending Elon's fave towards a more sustainable future. Stake Doge 20 today and start earning eco-friendly rewards. With the Good Boy staking contract powered by ETH, Doge 20 is so much more than a meme coin. It has your passive income interest at favor. No more inflation. They have a set amount of tokens, unlike the real Dogecoin, which is good to see. They have a solid roadmap, solid tokenomics, and then again, the pre-sale prices this year, last chance to buy a low pre-sale price, guys, where you can easily double your money. Obviously not financial advice, but we're talking about Dogecoin, we're talking about Shiba Inu, and I'm like, we have to talk about this other dog coin that's launching just a couple days away, so you might want to load up your bag. I'm gonna link Doge 20 in the description below. Let's go back into Dogecoin. As we're looking at the technical analysis, guys, technical analysis is saying selling. However, I think other news is showing indication that this is going to survive this run, guys. If it survived the whole bear market, Shiba Inu is definitely going to survive this. So Shiba Inu losses steam as whale offloads 50 billion tokens. So Shiba Inu experiences significant downturn in investor confidence. Looks like a whale has exited the mix. The popular meme coin appears to witness a significant downturn in investor confidence. This comes after a single entry speculated to becoming controlled by one person across 11 wallets, offloading a massive 533 billion SHIB tokens, amounting in $16 million. Okay, so this is causing some shakiness. However, guys, I don't think it's a dump yet. They could have, if there was a dump, they would have waited for us to get more buzz. I think this is just a shakedown, right? So Shiba Inu slows down. The hefty transaction has seemingly put a damper on SHIB's recent rally, despite its uptick of 0.2% in the past 24 hours. And I honestly think, guys, it hasn't just slowed down because of whale. It's slowed down because the whole market as a whole is in the red. So just be careful. There's gonna be a lot of flooders on the internet trying to talk down Shiba Inu, but history repeats itself, guys, and people like investing in these dog coins. So don't like let this fear, because just like there's articles saying it's going to hell pretty much. There are articles saying that Shiba Inu is poised for another 300% rally coming in a couple of days post on March 1st. Shiba Inu, a popular cryptocurrency, is poised for a sustainable rally according to leading market analysis. Amid its recent recovery from losses, crypto analysts predict SHIB could reach a new all-time high by July, anticipating further parabolic price surges of 300% upcoming surge. Let's find out. Now, guys, I'm more standing on this stance over here that I see that we're going to see Shiba Inu at all times. Every time we do a Shiba Inu update, guys, video, I tell you, we are going to see another Shiba Inu all-time high. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. So just be careful. There's going to be a lot of articles swaying you in one way, buy Shiba Inu, sell Shiba Inu, but the reality is you have to let the research talk for you. When you're seeing it's in the red, it probably means you should buy. Right? Follow trends, follow patterns. If it was dumping, everyone would be talking about it dumping, but that is definitely not the case for Shiba Inu. I think we just have to be careful what information we're letting entering into our heads, right? Why is Dogecoin and Shiba Inu price fall today? Again, articles are talking about the good and the bad and the ugly, and that's kind of what happens in the crypto world, right? We go to see Shiba Inu on Twitter with 3.8 million followers, guys. Very active as well, something we like to see. We see top 5 coins traded in March, Shiba Inu being in that top 5 list. I believe make it a number 1 on the list as well, which is amazing to see. So it hasn't lost its popularity. Shiba token in Dubai, a golden sponsor. We're excited to announce that we are a golden sponsor at token for 2049 Dubai, April 18th to 19th. To celebrate, we're giving away 1 ticket, like and retweet. So again, they're just doing things to be a part of the community as well. A lot of exciting things happening with Shiba Inu and the whole meme coins, guys. I'm telling you, as we enter the new bull market, as the Bitcoin halving event happens, all the meme coins are going to go parabolic, especially coins you get in early. So you got to make sure you buy in Shiba Inu on red days. You got to make sure you buy coins that are on pre-sales, like Dogecoin. The people that get in early tend to make the biggest bag. The people who lose money are usually the people who buy at the top and sell when there's no more liquidity left. So, like always, guys, not financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence, but take advantage of these opportunities. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps up the video. If you enjoy watching videos like this, you know what to do. Smash the like button and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.